Zeal Education Society, redefining excellence.
Hello guys, we are second year Computer Engineering Division B students from Zeal College of Engineering and Research, Pune, Maharashtra.
We have created a mini project of use of online Python compiler for sending email under the guidance of Deepak Naik sir.
My name is Mahadev Munerikar and my team members are Ganesh Mankar, Kishore Maski and Mehvis Sheikh. In this project, we have used online Python compiler for compiling this program. Online compiler is one of the best tools for compiling your programs. If you don't have installed compiler in your PC, then online compiler will help you to save your time. You can compile not only Python codes but also CPP, C language, Java codes. In this code, we have used SMPT-lib library. Here is my email ID and password. Here is message and here is receiver email ID. Okay, now I am going to run it. Wait, you can see here. Okay, here it is. This way you can use online compiler for compiling your programs. Thank you.
Zeal Education Society, redefining excellence.